The law of attractions. The law of attractions has become widely popular due to the success of The Secret by Rhonda Byrne, which is a book that has sold over 90 million copies. What does this mean? It is believed that regardless of age, nationality, or religious belief, we are all susceptible to the laws which govern the universe, including the law of attractions. It is the law of attractions that uses the power of the mind to translate whatever is in our thoughts and materialize them into reality. Whether we are doing it knowingly or unknowingly, every second of our existence, we are acting as human magnets, sending out our thoughts and emotions and attracting back more of what we have put out. Unfortunately, so many of us are still blind to the potential that is locked deep within us. Constantly, it is all too easy to leave your thoughts and emotions unchecked. This sends out the wrong thoughts and attracts more unwanted emotions and events into your life. Okay, before I tell you how to use the law of attractions, please subscribe our channel. Once we have come to understand the astounding possibilities that life has to offer us, we can also come to realize that we are like artists. We are creating pictures of our intended life and then making choices that taking actions that will realize what we envisaged. So, what if you don't like the picture? Okay, change it. You are in control of what the finished picture could look like. The law of attraction really is that simple. No catches. All laws of nature are completely perfect, and the law of attractions is no exception. No matter what you're looking to have or achieve or be in life, if you can hold onto an idea and see it for yourself in the mind's eye, you can make it yours to have with some effort on your part. Here are just a few areas in your life that you could improve by utilizing the law of attractions. Manifest love and relationships. There are many law of attraction techniques and exercises that can increase your confidence, charisma, and overall subconscious willingness to receive love. In this way, it is entirely possible to attract your real soulmate by utilizing the law of attraction. Attract money and wealth. Unfortunately, many of us have trouble relationship with the idea of wealth. It certainly has connections of greed and vanity. In order to attract money, we need to banish these negative thoughts patterns. A key aspect of the law of attraction is the idea that positivity breeds positivity. Therefore, you can learn how to harness positive money habits easily. Improve your mental and physical health. With busy work routines, commitments to friends and family, and general everyday life, we sometimes neglect our own personal health. Utilizing the law of attraction cannot purely substitute a healthy diet, exercise, and regular doctor checkups. It can promote a vast range of benefits for your mental, spiritual, and physical health. When you ask yourself, how do I start using the law of attraction? And even, how can I make the law of attraction work instantly? You may not know where to go or how to start this journey. Well, you're in the right place, as this is going to make it easier for you. If you are ready to manifest the life of your dreams, you need the tools to cultivate a positive outlook. There is a range of resources, tools, and ways to do this, and they can be at your disposal today. If you enjoyed this, please like this video and subscribe us.